You don't have to take away the meat, just eat less and better quality. My name is Jessie. I'm a culinary leader here in Stockholm, and I'm also Chef of the Year 2022. When I was growing up, my mom was a single mom and we didn't have so much money, but she did the best. You know, she always made everything from scratch. I'm a very curious person. I just wanted to learn so much about everything. When I was starting as a chef, these big, great chefs that I was working with, they were like gods for me. Everything they said was true. That was my focus then. My biggest focus now, after more than 20 years in the kitchen, is to cook more sustainable food and inspire other people to eat it. Today, a lot of food is wasted because it doesn't look good, and we cannot afford to do that anymore. Wonky food tastes just as good. Axe Foundation is a non-profit organization. They wanted to find a way for people to minimize the meat consumption, and that was lugamis. Swedish legumes are really nutritious, but it's mostly used for animal food. If you can change it, it's going to benefit both us and the world. I worked a lot with this plant-based mince, and you can actually use it in so many ways. So this can help us actually to lower our impact. We're going to leave the world to our next generation. And for me, it's really important to leave the world as good as I can.